necesitas más de un cuarto de hotel.
Mom and dad lied when they told you I was lifeless. What's this? Someone in the main office? Hanging out after hours, how obnoxious. Watching us on his monitor, preposterous. Time to wake the others, now we'll show him who the boss is. Call me Freddy, I'm the teddy with a temper. When I see a face like yours, I remember. Make it through the night and I bet they'll give you tenure. Then you can be part of Freddy's family forever. Most of us got a major upgrade, so I hope you don't hate staying up late. If you're scared, give your resume an update, cause unless you quit, you'll still be making minimum wage.
I come to life, you got no place to hide. Keep an eye on the time and a line by your side. You can try if you like to survive.
keep it on long, it ain't full as Foxy. Check the vents that we'll be crawling out the bottom of. If you got doors, now you oughta lock them up. Whoops, I forgot, you don't even got them. Keep the music playing or we're gonna have a problem. But don't relax once you have us distracted. We move around as sporadic as mechanical crackheads. We think on our own, no strings attached. If you don't believe that,